Good morning. Today we are presenting a documentary about William Henry Gates. William Henry Gates is an American business magnate, software developer, investor, author, and philanthropist. He is a co-founder of Microsoft Corporation along with his late childhood friend Paul Allen. During his career at Microsoft, Gates held the positions of chairman, chief executive officer, president, and chief software architect. While also being the largest individual shareholder until May 2014, he is considered one of the best known entrepreneurs of the microcomputer revolution of the 1970s and 1980s. As we all know, Bill Gates is one of the eminent personality in the world. His specialty is ability to make things successful and self-confidence. He got so many awards during his younger period for his best performances. Early days of Bill Gates. While Bill Gates had to work hard to become what he is today, his story isn't exactly a rags to riches one as he was born into a very wealthy family. His father was a successful attorney while his mother was a school teacher who went on to become a member of the board of directors of the First Interstate Bank. Gates was a bright student that performed well academically, especially in mathematics. And this was exemplified by the 800 points that young Bill Gates scored in the mathematics part of an intelligence test. Bill Gates developed a passion for computers and programming as early as 13. At the same age, Gates enrolled in the Lakeside School, a private preparatory school. While Gates was still at its school, that school administration decided to buy a computer from the General Electric Company. Seeing his flair in programming, the school administration excused Gates from classes to allow him to pursue his interest. On the GEC machine, Bill Gates built his first ever computer program. Career and challenges. In 1967, Bill Gates enrolled at Lakeside School and used a computer at first time. And in 1968, began programming with Paul Allen in the Computer Center, and in 1973 entered Harvard University. Started Microsoft with Paul Allen in the Albuquerque in 1975. In 1976, changed the company name to Microsoft. In 1985, Windows 1.0 launched. In 1995, Windows 95 launched. Assumed role of chief software architect as Steve Ballmer assumed role of Microsoft CEO in 2000. In 2014, stepped down as chairman, remained on the board and became serving as technology advisor. In 2018, Bill joined forces with a group of philanthropists to create the Diagnostic Accelerator, a program aimed at finding a way to diagnose Alzheimer's earlier. In 2021, Bill published his books How to Avoid a Climate Disaster, proposed a plan to prevent the worst effects of climate changes. As already said that Bill Gates got so many achievements and awards during his younger period for his best performances. Some of the achievements are discussed here. He established Microsoft, the most successful computer software company. In January 1975, while pursuing his studies at Harvard, Bill Gates and his friend Paul Allen read a cover story in Popular Electronics. The story was about 350 HTR 8800 microcomputer made by a New Mexico-based company called MITES. Bill Gates later recalled that at that point they had understood that the price of computers would soon drop to the point that selling software for them would be a profitable business. Gates dropped out of Harvard wanting to be the forefront of Paul Allen, and in over a decade and a half the duo built the most successful software company in the world. He made the PC-DOS operating system deal with IBM. In 1981, International Business Machines, one of the world's largest companies, was planning to enter the personal computer market. At this time, IBM was in touch with Bill Gates and Microsoft, which was the largest producer of the computer programming languages with its interpreted BASIC. In 1980s, Microsoft got into the business of operating system and most personal computers used Digital Research Inc. He named as the world's youngest self-made billionaire at 31. In 1987 issue of the Forbes magazine, Bill Gates was listed among the 400 richest people in America. He was estimated to be worth of 1.25 billion and was the world's youngest self-made billionaire to be recognized by the magazine. He was 31 years old. The honor would be later held by Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg at the age of 23 in 2008. Bill Gates became the richest man in the world at the age of 39. Riding the success of MS-DOS and his other successful software during the PC revolution, Bill Gates was named as the richest man in the world at the age of 39 in 1995 by Forbes. He would be consistently ranked among the richest of the rich by the magazine till date, also topping the listing 1996, 1998 to 2007, 2009 and 2014 to 2017. In 1999, Gates was estimated to be worth of 101 billion. There were reports that in 1996, when the company's stock hit a high, he was earning close to 30 million a day. In 2018, Bill Gates is ranked behind Amazon's Jeff Bezos as the second richest man in the world. He is valued at 90 billion. He won the Presidential Medal of Freedom in 2016. Bill Gates has been honored and recognized throughout his eminent career in the software industry and as a philanthropist. Bill Gates inspired so many people through his leadership qualities, and some of the leadership qualities of Bill Gates is discussed here. Expertise. Among the Bill Gates leadership styles is his expertise. It's because of Gates' willingness to learn about computers and gain more knowledge and expertise in the industry, as he managed to take Microsoft to remarkable heights. Deep knowledge in a subject or topic is one of the best traits to have a leader. It provides a cutting edge advantage in product design. Passion. While we did touch upon Gates' willingness to learn, that trait was also coupled with a passion that drove him to the top of the PC and software industry. While companies require quality products and money, Gates has managed to win over millions of customers because of his passion and commitment to his work. So, passion and commitment is very important thing to build a better career. Influence. Because of his immense success and net worth, Gates has enjoyed a great deal of influence, from shaping the trajectory of his organization to his loyalty goal to put a computer on every desktop. Gates influenced not only his own company but the world at large. Empowerment of others. Gates has been known to help bring out creativity in team members. Rather than having Gates come up with ideas, he practices what is called intellectual stimulation, where he encourages and empowers others to use creativity in situations where it is needed. With more creative minds comes more ways to solve problems. Always learning attitude. Gates sees learning as a long term process. While software is his specialty, he has also been willing to learn about and try new things in order to acquire new skills. That lifelong learning approach has cultivated a culture of never ending competitiveness. Look no further than Microsoft Teams tackling Slack as an example of how far Microsoft has come from its early days. Resiliency. Gates is regarded as a forward thinker. Even from an early age, he displayed a rare tenacity to solve difficult problems. Gates drew out a long term plan to become the successful leader at Microsoft, and in spite of unexpected hurdles along the way, even in the formed lawsuits, he stuck to his plan to the end and never changed courses. His focus was always on the future, making for a sound, resilient strategy. Assuredness. Gates has not always been known for charisma and personality, but as the brains behind Microsoft, he has been its face for the majority of the company's existence. His intellect and assuredness in front of the camera have inspired faith in customers that their trust and dollars are invested in a man with true leadership qualities.
As a billionaire, Bill Gates can do more social contribution to society. One of the major social contribution made by Bill Gates to the society is Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation is the merging of William H. Gates Foundation and Gates Learning Foundation. It is an American private foundation founded by Bill Gates and his wife Melinda French Gates. It is based on Seattle, Washington. It is launched in 2000 and as of 2020 it is reported as the second largest charitable foundation in the world, holding an asset of $49.8 billion. The primary stated goals of this foundation is enhance healthcare, reduce the poverty across the world, and improve educational opportunities and access to information technology in US. The key members of this foundation is Bill Gates, Melinda French Gates, Warren Buffett, Chief Executive Officer Mark Zuckerberg, and Michael Larson. As of 2018, Bill Gates and Melinda French Gates had donated $36 billion to the foundation. Since its founding, the foundation has endowed and supported a wide range of social, healthcare, and educational developments, including establishment of Gates Cambridge Scholarship at Cambridge University. Charitable activities conducted by Bill and Melinda Gates Foundations are Gates Cambridge Scholarship, William Gates established Gates Cambridge Scholarship, which allows students and scholars from US and outside the world to study at Cambridge University, one of the topmost universities in the world. In 2000, the foundation endowed a scholarship trust with $210 million to help graduate students to study at University of Cambridge. The foundation continued to contribute funds to expand the scholarship and make it as the best endowed scholarship in the world. Second activity is financial assistances. Those are Alliance for Financial Inclusion, a 35 million grant for AFI support developing countries to create savings account, insurance and other financial services that are made available to people living on less than $2 per day. And another one is ProMeasure, a 5-year 3.1 million grant. ProMeasure is a microfinance network in Latin America combining financial services with healthcare for poorest women entrepreneurs. Another financial assistance is Grameen Foundation, a $1.5 million grant that allow Grameen Foundation to approve more microloans and that support Grameen's goals of helping 5 additional families and freeing 50% of families from poverty within 5 years. Third activity is agricultural development. Gates Foundation offered $19.9 million to International Rice Research Institute. The goal of aid was to support the increasing demand of rice. And the foundation also partnered with Rockefeller Foundation to enhance agricultural science and farm productivity in Africa. Other global initiatives of Bill and Melinda Gates Foundations are in 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake, the foundation donated $3 million to the victims of earthquake. In 2005, the Kashmir earthquake, the foundation donated a notable amount of money. In 2014, the foundation formed a flexible fund which is offered to UN agencies which fighting against the deadliest disease Ebola in West Africa. Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation's work depends on grants and partners across United Nations and other 130 countries who have on-the-ground expertise. They support Chinese partners in addressing domestic health and development challenges. They help the country to become stronger in health and development partner for rest of the world. East Asian team collaborate with private and public sector partners across the region in innovative ways to fight disease that affect poorest people. Next, we need to know how he built his empire and doing all kinds of welfare activities and other activities to make world a better place. For this, firstly, he need to trust himself and trust his stakeholders and friends. He started his business out of a tiny space into a powerful companies in the world. In 1971, Bill Gates went to do business with his friend Paul Allen. And later he joined Harvard University and then he dropped out from there. And he started the company Microsoft with his friend. He believed himself and started a company. From 1979 to 1981, Microsoft growth exploded. After Microsoft went public, Bill Gates became a billionaire at the age of 31. After that, he married the previous product manager of Microsoft, Melinda French. Then those couple started a foundation by merging family foundations and formed Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation that we discussed earlier. He set himself as an example and get a lot of recognition from society. In 1994, he got Distinguished Fellow of British Computer Society and 1997 he got Satellite Special Achievement Award. In 2010 he got Bower Award and Silver Buffalo Award. In 2015 he got Padma Bhushan and 2016 Presidential Medal of Freedom. As we all know, Bill Gates is one of the eminent personalities in the world. His specialty is ability to make things successful and self-confidence. He got so many awards during his younger period for best performances. And he's not only a software developer but also an investor, author, and a philanthropist. He is the co-founder of Microsoft. To everybody, Bill Gates is a hero because he utilizes his brain and serving the whole world. He is a successful entrepreneur. His leadership style, skills, entrepreneurship skills, and social contributions are inspirations to a lot of people. Everyone can make him as a role model. He using a part of his profit to serve a needy sections of society. And that's why that is the one of the reason we choose him as a leader or role model to our documentary. Thank you.